Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we are doing a behind the scenes for my photo shoot.
I'd just like to get this straight. If you people were watching, we could get this going.
Okay, all right. We're gonna get going here, guys. It is good to see you too.
He's not even the photographer.
I know.
Just push a button.
Get out of the way.
Am I allowed to stand on this now?
That's where you are.
Okay.
Front pound. Front pound.
Seriously, how high is this thing gonna go?
It's gonna hit the ceiling and drop back down. I mean, it's 12 feet. I mean, it's.
That's why I gotta figure out where it's.
Do you want me to go ahead and show you?
No?
Oh, okay,
I want him to
okay.
be ready to take your picture. I may just be standing there.
You need to get out of the way.
I will in eventually.
Because if I nail it, I don't need you in there.
How am I doing now?
Now, how am I standing? Where are my feet? What's that?
Okay,
What position are you usually in when you let this basketball go?
So you're gonna want to switch which foot
It's
is
a
forward.
prototype. I'm sorry.
You want to switch which foot is forward. So bring your
Like this, like that?
There you go.
Okay.
Now you're good.
Just.
Yeah, make sure you react. Ready?
Now wait. What reaction do you want?
You tell me. You're the guy.
I think
What-
the
or maybe-
worst reaction would be like the
Okay.
thing's coming out. So I mean,
Okay.
there needs to be some startle to it.
Okay.
There? But where do you want your face to go? Because some people don't like their startled face.
Now I don't know if oh boy. I'm not sure.
Okay, pretend you will.
Okay,
And
okay.
show me what you're thinking.
See, normally this would be a routine that I actually have placed on the ground, and then there would be somebody approaching it like this, like they're going to feed what's in here, and I'm off here with a rope pulling the cord to release it. So I'm not usually startled. I'm more on this. I can be startled for the photo.
Okay, but for a
So be
photo,
all-
for a planned photo, I mean that's good for a shot that would happen during the show.
Okay.
But I'm saying for a planned photo, you can't have a snake jump out of the basket and not have someone.
Should I have a look like this, or should I have kind of a like I gotcha, or
There's gonna be a large snake around.
yeah,
So I just
like this?
Or diabolical? Do you have a diabolical look?
Like that?
Yeah, here, do this with your hand in your head.
Okay.
Can you
Like
yeah,
that?
that's it. That's good. I mean, I would like that.
Okay.
Better than because I think you're going to jump a little anyhow. Are you ready, Mike? I'm going to get the hell out of
You give me a count of 3 and I'll do it.
All right, Mike, are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
That didn't work.
Nope.
That went outside of this.
I need to tilt it a bit. Okay. You hold that just like that. Okay.
I think it's too long for the photo.
I've got smaller snakes if
And
necessary.
I made him bring the smaller snakes reluctantly on his part because I think 3 shooting out or coming back down is going to work better. But what do I know?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Well, toss it over. Wait till it kind of clears his face. Just try this for kids so we see what it is. 1, 2, 3. That was actually pretty good.
That was good.
It's a little late.
Giant mustache.
Oh, did it? Pretty funny. Okay, so I need to throw it that way.
Andrew, it's literally going in front of your face.
That's funny.
No, you get down. Look. Step on your shoe. Okay, move. I need you over here.
Now, where are you wanting? You want it above?
Well, I'd
his
like
head?
him above him.
Okay.
Kind of falling
Kind
down.
of
Because you
falling
said
down.
below his
Maybe
face.
throw it up and then have it
Figure
fall
that one out
down, or-
anyway.
Okay.
Let me get this.
Just do your job.
Well, I'm just seeing if this is getting better. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That was actually good.
Too early.
Too early on your
No,
part.
you need to stand over here. Hold on, watch the.
Do you want to try one more time releasing it on its own, and I'll tilt it up like this, so it'll.
I don't know you.
Well, the biggest fear is it blocks your face.
And I can also hold it with my thumb and release it so that it's already tripped. So the door is forcing it out that way. That's the problem. Here, let me do this. You hold your hand, hold that out.
Saw that somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, he's in the left side.
Yeah.
That's good. Something upstairs.
You are not right.
You know, when we first met these people and they lived elsewhere, they looked so sophisticated and nicely dressed and stuff. now he's
Do
like,
you see?
got-
It's slowly going
The
downhill.
hillbilly outfit, the whole
Or
bit.
quickly going downhill. He might be missing a few teeth next time you see him.
yeah, but your jeans are still fit.
Well, okay, he's
Eventually
going
they'll all be
downhill.
ripped.
Maybe I'm classing up a bit and he's going the
Maybe
opposite.
if I do it like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the position, and I'm gonna release the thumb like that. Okay.
May not be that, so we
That.
can see that. Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, it just went off.
That's why it needs
Where
to go
do you
straight
think
up.
it's gonna go?
That's why I said if,
When you really
Yeah, I would get it coming out of there.
no. The point is if the door's not there, it'll go straight up. That's why we need to do it. See, with the door, it forced it out that way.
Well, where did it go over? Did it?
It went
did
up and then
launch
it
over
went
his
down,
head?
it came down.
It went towards you.
Did it launch over his head?
Oh, on this one, no, it went in front. That's why.
So- Let me try it one way.
Mike is not gonna look. If you wait till it hits the ceiling and comes down, we're at the mercy of whatever it does.
Well, what I would like to see, what I would like, if we could, is to have it still in the box and falling down at the same time. So if it hits the ceiling and comes down, hopefully, because it's a slow spring.
Okay,
So
let's see what I can do.
I'm hoping. So let's try it like that, maybe off to the side.
Yeah, that's good.
But Mike, I would get it as it comes up.
Okay, I will get it. I will review.
Am I because coming down is gonna be a weird angle. It's gonna look like a sock. I would get it launching personally.
I heard you 3
So
times.
let me count to 3, okay? So you can not have to get into a face.
See, we're not the only married bickering couple.
Yeah.
I mean,
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So
you're standing right behind
this
him.
way. Drop your left arm. Drop your left arm. Drop
Your other left, your other
Yeah, no,
left.
I'm trying. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
It's almost 1. Mike, are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. That actually
Look good?
looks like the last one.
I just don't want it to look like you're on a ladder holding it.
No, that definitely doesn't look like that.
Oh, wow.
And I can probably cut it out because there's no difference between it and the wall.
Oh, that's awesome.
I can.
But Mike, can you take one right when I say 3? I mean,
not an after
if he
three.
lets go on 3 and you take it as it's just launching everything else.
There is a thing called shutter lag. It's milliseconds, but the shutter doesn't know exactly when I fire.
Maybe you take the picture on 3 and I wait a millisecond. What? Oh,
Yeah, it's really hard to time
okay.
because it truly is milliseconds, but there is a slightest bit of
Well, when I
delay.
say 3 milliseconds, wait, dude, he'll let go, you'll take it, milliseconds will happen.
Do you know what a millisecond is? Tom?
Thousandths of a second.
Yeah. Do you know how hard it is to time a millisecond without some sort of device?
Does everybody get this special treatment or just us?
All of us.
Everybody.
Well,
Sometimes we're not speaking.
I like where it ended up next to you. Alright, that's gonna kind of bring your arms out from you just a little bit, there we go. And tilt your left arm down, no more, that's good.
That's it?
Mike, are you ready? No. Alright, as I say 3, you let it go.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
I blinked.
Damn it. You did blink, and it looks, show him where it got.
That sucks.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
help is hard to find.
That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly, because there's no way, no matter how talented you are, you're gonna be able to pull that off unless we had like a tube in there that was already bent that way for this spring stake, you know what I mean?
We've hung them before.
In that shape,
With
really?
invisible thread.
Oh, dear.
We've got
Yeah.
This is a lot quicker, though?
line here.
Right off the spring hoist?
Tom's been on a ladder hanging things before. A little rod.
Actually, the one in Mark Daniels is held in 4 places.
Yeah, Mark's wasn't.
There we go. What's that?
I like where we let that go, so just follow my lead on where it goes. So, push it out from your body a little bit, and get up there. You're there. That's hysterical.
Oh, it's a tiny snake.
He's the 12 months later, he looks a full woman.
Hey.
Is that microphone still on?
Yes.
Yeah, I've got 3 kids.
Are they all girls?
See, part of this will be edited. Clearly, we're not putting the whole thing up.
You're gonna get your friends not gonna be happy with you, Tom.
Yeah, and the answer is just 2.
I like how I was replaced by a chair. Just so you know. Oh, hang on.
Now you know you're easily replaceable.
Mike, don't you slow down, okay? I won't do this time because you waited. So do what I say is great. Mike, are you ready? Yes. All right. It looks perfect. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, you ready to smile? Smile. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was good. Right in his face. Oh, no, it wasn't.
Did it work? Well, that wraps up the video today. We're going to be coming back to you next time. Hope you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes footage of the photo session here.
I think you'll like it.
And
Okay.
this is the DIY Magician.
Ah.
Till next
I
time.
can get it back on.